Hello, my fellows. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, still Tuesday, October the 6th, 2020. The third Sudoku is a 3-star Sudoku. 3 out of 7 because we have today 7 extra Sudokus, and this will be a number 1699. Yes, 1699. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this Sudoku has 25. I have counted. If you don't believe it, just check it. Alright, so let's get started. How about the number? Two in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then. How about the 3 in this column, a 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 6 in this big square? 5 missing numbers, one of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Then. How about the number 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so in the row between, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And then we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 5 should be there. Five in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. There 5, no 5 in those two boxes. One box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And then and then I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number? The number 6, 7, 6. Yeah. 6, 4. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. 1, 2, 2, 8, and 7. Well. 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number in the last column is the number 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. There 2, so no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. Then. In this column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number here is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. Well, we see there 2, so no 2 here. 2 should be here. And then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 9 are left. The 8 and the 9, 8 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. These 2 boxes in this row, the 8 and the 9 are missing. We have a 9 here in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 6 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 6. How about 2 boxes left? In the last column, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Well, now we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and the 8 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 7. I have a 1 here in this big square in one of these 3 boxes. It's a 1, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 7. Then these 3 numbers, 2 is missing, 7 and an 8, 2, 7 and an 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Wow, 7 and an 8, 7 and an 8. No, 7 and an 8. How about this box in this row for the number 8? Alright. That means in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in 8. We see there an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and the 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So now, 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 and the 8. How about this? 7 and the 2. Alright. These 3 numbers then. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 3, 5, and the 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. No. I need a 7 here. 3, 5. We have a 8. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 are missing in this column. 3, 5, 7. We see here 3, 7, so no 3, 7 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 5. The 3, 7 goes in these 2 boxes. 3, 7. Alright. We have a 5 now. 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and 8. 8 could be everywhere. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 are missing. We see an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 8. Yes. So, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see there and I know 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So on the row below, only place for the 8 should be there. The 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them 1 and 9. These 2 boxes. In the third row, the 2 and the 8, 2 and 8. Now we have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. We have 3 and a 7 here, so these 2 should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be the 9. Yeah. 9, 9. Alright. How about 2 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 9. 1 box left in this third column for the number 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this can be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 7. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Wow, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds. I will continue with the 4 stars Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye, fellows.